Why cryptocurrencies are nothing but a scam. This is what we are going to discuss in this episode of Market Secrets. Let's start with what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are nothing but just another fiat currency. It is completely digital or virtual and not backed or regulated by any government. Bitcoin is one of the most famous cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies use an online ledger with strong cryptography to ensure online transactions. Cryptocurrencies work with a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manage and record transactions. Part of the appeal of this technology is its security. So, in simple terms, cryptocurrencies are just like any other fiat currency, but it is not regulated or backed by any government and it is completely digital or virtual. So, it's just like your dollar, rupee, euro, or yuan, but it doesn't have a physical form and they are not backed or regulated by any governments or central banks. So, why are cryptocurrencies so popular? Cryptocurrencies have a great appeal to their supporters for a variety of reasons. Here are some of the most popular reasons. Number one, supporters see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as a currency of the future and are racing to buy them now before they become more valuable. Some supporters like the fact that cryptocurrency removes central banks from managing the money supply, since over time these banks tend to reduce the value of money via inflation. Due to too much printing of money in the last 10-15 years after the 2008 market crash, the money that we hold is losing its value every single day. But with cryptocurrency, there is no central bank or central agency to manage the money supply. It is completely decentralized. And that looks appealing for a lot of supporters. Other supporters like the technology behind the cryptocurrencies, which is blockchain. Because blockchain provides a decentralized processing and recording system and can be more secure than the traditional payment system. So these are the various reasons cryptocurrencies are so popular. So now comes the important question. Are cryptocurrencies a good investment? Cryptocurrencies may go up in value, but many investors see them as mere speculations and not real investments. Reason is simple. Just like real currencies, that is dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies generate no cash flow. So for you to profit, someone has to pay more for the currency than you did. That's what is called the greater fool theory of investments. So investing in cryptocurrencies is not like investing in a well-managed business, which increases its value over time by growing the profitability and cash flow of the operation. But a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin don't have anything to back it. Its value is created out of thin air. It doesn't have any value. Its value is zero. It is currently running just on blind faith, but day is not too far that everything will fall apart. You may say this is true for all the fiat currencies like dollars, euro, or rupees. Yes, that's right. All the fiat currencies are worthless. So you should never hold them except for your emergency corpus. Always invest the fiat currency you have in the assets like real estate or business, that is, good stocks. Also, in case of dollar, euro, or rupee, central banks of respective countries regulate it, so those governments have enough reasons to ensure it won't go worthless, even though it may lose little bit of its value every day due to inflation. But when it comes to cryptocurrencies, everything can go to zero in just few hours and you won't have any regulator to run to. You will just have to digest your losses and move on. And for those who see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as a currency of the future, it should be noted that a currency needs stability. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been anything but stable through much of their history. One guy, Elon Musk, with just one tweet crashed Bitcoin by 25% in April 2021. And those who invest in cryptos because of Elon Musk should remember that he's a good businessman but not a good investor. So don't blindly follow him. Some people say cryptocurrencies are mined and it is a very limited asset. So it is like gold and limited quantity makes cryptocurrency similar to investing in gold. But no, crypto is not equivalent to gold. Number of bitcoins that can be mined in the future may be limited due to algorithm constraints, but you can always create a new cryptocurrency just like that out of thin air. Just because it is limited doesn't mean it is worthy. Just for fun, even I tried to create a cryptocurrency in the past. Well, if you guys want, I can even launch one. More than 10,000 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly. New cryptocurrencies continue to emerge every day, raising money through initial coin offerings or ICOs. The total value of all the cryptocurrencies is more than $2 trillion. So, from my standpoint, it is not limited. You can create a cryptocurrency just like that. If you still want to play in the crypto market, enter as a trader and not as an investor. This is too late for an investor to get into cryptos. But if you are a good trader, a good trader, you can use the volatility in the cryptos to make some quick money. But that will work only if you are a good trader with proper risk and money management skills. So, what's the takeaway from this episode? All the cryptocurrencies are fiat currencies without anything backing them. So its value is zero. They are not regulated by anyone or anything. So you can't even run to anyone in case you lose it all. All the cryptocurrencies without any central banks banking them will definitely become worthless sometime in the future, but we will never know when it will happen. But when it happens, everything will fall like a rock and might even be over in matter of hours. And trigger for this can be anything, so we can never predict it as well. It is just like any other scam or pyramid scheme. It will come down crashing one day, and that will happen super fast too. Don't get carried away due to the latest hype in the crypto market. It is just like any other market crash. It will shine and glitter like gold just to attract you into it before everything goes dark. And lastly, blockchain is a wonderful technology and it is here to stay. But Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is not. So, do you still think cryptocurrencies are good investments? Do you still think cryptocurrencies have any value? Do you still think we have any valid reasons to invest in cryptocurrencies? Do you still think cryptocurrency is not a scam? Well, if you think so, leave the reasons in the comment section of this video. Let's have a healthy discussion on it. Hit the like button if you've liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct live webinars. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.